Hello guys, Shubham here. So today we are talking about such ROM which won hearts of people in less amount of time in terms of gaming stability and also in user interface and design. But today's video is kind of different. Today we are talking about this ROM but with from different perspective. Today we are going to see that how to install this ROM right from scratch without any issues. So this ROM is called as Corvus OS, which is official build based on Android 11. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So at the very first time, let's ensure that we got all the files we need to install this ROM successfully. So as you can see, this is the Corvus OS file which we got and need to be installed. Let's move toward the Telegram group of Corvus OS, and as you can see, this is the Telegram group named as the Corvus OS official Beryllium. Let's move towards the download link inside this message, and you can see that this is the Pling website where you will get both the build, that is the vanilla and the GApps. I personally prefer to download vanilla build as it does not got any issues. While downloading you can face some issues such as .zar or .zip, but you can just rename that file to .zip and you are good to go. So moving further, as you can see that we got our Corvus OS file, and also we also got the NIC-GApps file. As you can see, this is the NIC-GApps I got. As is the vanilla build, we need to also flash the GApps file too. So these are the required files. Let's move toward the recovery of this device and get started with the installation. So at the very first time, as you can see, this is the Pitch Black recovery project. You can flash any of the recovery which is the latest one and you are good to go. Moving further, these are the files we required, which is the Corvus OS zip file and also the OpenGApps file. At the very first time, we have to wipe the partitions which are required, that is Dalvik Art Cache, Cache System and Data. Make sure you wipe all the 4 partitions without wiping anything else. It will take some time, so have some patience until it gets wiped. So as you can see that our partitions has been wiped successfully. Now go back and click on install. Select the 2 files which are the Corvus OS zip file and add more zip, where you can add the OpenGApps file. Swipe to flash, and as you can see that this is getting flashed successfully. And here we go. This is all the logs where you can see that the GApps and also the Corvus OS ROM has been flashed successfully without any issues. So moving further, go back and click on reboot. After clicking on reboot, click on system and let your ROM get reboot. Sit back, relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Your ROM will get reboot soon without any issues. I'm fast forwarding this reboot process so that you can very soon look at the booted ROM. So here we go, and you can see that our ROM has booted successfully. This is the welcome screen of the GApps where you can just back up all of your applications and all of your data. So let's move toward the main content where the ROM has been booted, and let's skip this part. So moving further, as you can see, this is the Corvus OS official ROM which has been booted successfully. Moving toward the setting, as you can see that moving towards the about phone section, you can see this is the Corvus OS version of Android 11. This is the official version, and also you can see all the details regarding kernel and also the security patch which is of 5th of May 2021. Tapping on the Android 11 version, here is the Android 11 Easter eggs which works perfectly fine. So let's go back and let's have some quick look on the features they have added in this build. So there is something called as the Lorentz layer. Previously also this was available in Corvus, and these are pretty dope customization animations. I don't know and I'm not sure if this is the Lottie animations or something else, but this look superb and sick. Moving further, let's look towards the Raven themes, and you will find all the themes option and also color adjustment and also something called as accent and all the other color stuff. You can customize the way you want and you are free to do everything else. Moving further, this is something different in terms of battery graphics, where you will get this rectangular battery and the percentage and all the other stuff. Also some overhaul in terms of the battery section and battery details UI. Moving further in security, as you can see that in each and every section such as security, privacy and all the other stuff, they have added this cool animation which just make look so good, and this looks amazing. I'm not sure, but I think this is a Lottie animation which previously have been used by many of the ROM developers itself, and nothing else in about phone section. And this is one of the thing I like the most, where you will get this sound waves type of animation in sound section, and also direct sound enhancer of course, which works superbly fine when you listen to high beat songs. And it just seems that there's many more things we need to explore in this ROM which are kind of new, and I'm definitely sure that I will take almost a week to explore this ROM and review that how it ROM works in terms of gaming performance, battery performance and all the other stuff. Moving to the home setting, then home settings are pretty much normal just like before, and let me tell you that this is the Raven launcher which is of Corvus OS itself. Moving towards the wallpaper, then there are a whole bunch of wallpaper. There are some wallpaper which are related to anime like Dragon Ball Z and all the other anime. You can just keep it the way you want. So in terms of customization, they are not holding back and they are included almost everything. This is something amazing, as you will get a whole lot and tons of clock whichever you want to keep it on your lock screen, and this looks amazing. By default, this is the default lock screen clock which was set, and you can keep any one of them. So overall the ROM looks amazing, and I will make sure to give a perfect review of this ROM. Until then, if you like this video, must hit that like button and also subscribe this channel to get more update and also review of this complete ROM. Until then, see you again in the next one. Happy flashing and goodbye.